emergency alert system.
The National Weather Service Inventory Pontiac. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of known all hazards weather radio stations. KEC 63, KH29, WNG 582, WNG 647, and WNG 701. This is Severe Weather Awareness Week in Michigan, and we want to remind residents that severe weather season is approaching. This includes tornadoes, flooding, high winds, and other severe weather that could disrupt our daily lives. Now is the time to make or review those severe weather emergency plans at home, work, or school before severe weather strikes. Disasters don't plan ahead, but you can. If this alert had been for an actual tornado or severe thunderstorm warning, you would have been instructed to seek safe shelter immediately. Severe Weather Awareness Week in Michigan continues through this Saturday, March 23rd. Additional severe weather safety and preparedness information can be found on our website. This concludes the test of NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Warning Alarm device.